Come in. Grab a seat. Alright, how's it going? My name's Lawrence, I'll be a physio. How can I help you today?
Hey, my doctor says I've got tendinopathy. What is that?
Okay, so first your tendon is collagen fiber that connects your bone to your muscle. Okay, so it's this white thing here. This is your Achilles tendon, it's the biggest one in your body. Okay, so tendinopathy is the broad term that we use for any kind of degeneration in your tendon when you've got a bit of overuse. Okay, how this happens is the more you use your tendon, the more it starts to break down. It needs time to recover, but it takes a lot longer to recover than your muscle. So your muscle takes about 3 to 4 days, you get a bit of soreness, a bit of DOMS, then you feel better. Your tendon can take up to 3 to 4 weeks to actually start recovering. So by the time you're feeling good, you start running, doing activity again, you start to break down that tendon further, okay? So if you refer to this graph here, what can happen is if your breakdown is over how fast you're recovering, then it's going to start to wear out that fiber. And then you start to get pain, you start getting issues with your function and activity. Okay, so tendinopathy, we generally see signs of pain when you're starting your activity, so when you're kind of warming up to run or play soccer, but you find that the pain disappears when you start to do the activity and get warm. Okay, so when you're mid-game, oh, the pain's suddenly gone, I feel pretty good. But the classic sign is as soon as you cool down, the pain will start to come back. Okay, so this is textbook what we look for when we think of tendinopathy.